Bold ideas, clear strategies, elevating your success, transforming challenges into opportunities, driving measurable success. Success isn't just about reaching the summit. It's about the journey and the strategies you implement. At Mountain Stream Group, we transform challenges into opportunities with bold ideas, practical solutions, and adaptable communication strategies that deliver measurable results. How do you overcome the toughest challenges when success feels out of reach? By aligning your people, processes, products, place, and promotions through seamless, impactful strategies that connect every part of your business to your mission. We ensure your brand inspires confidence, action, and growth. Since 1998, our unique approach has delivered results. One client boosted sales by 31%, improved morale, and reduced costs in just 18 months. Another eliminated $420,000 in annual warranty claims with a simple manufacturing adjustment, while a third saved $90,000 annually by refining machinery components. Our dynamic, collaborative methodology combines creative innovation with structured processes, including our Nexus Control Loop, a 6-step system for continuous improvement, and the 5Ps brand DNA communication framework. Along with experimental communication design, this approach ensures precision, clarity, and consistency, crafting holistic, sensory-rich experiences that inspire action, build deeper connections, and create lasting impact. Our consulting, engineering, marketing communications, and workforce development services can be integrated into a holistic solution, tailored to your industry, scalable to your needs, and focused on sustainable growth. We don't just solve problems, we engineer transformation. From redefining brand identity to optimizing workflows, we help businesses like yours achieve breakthroughs, measurable outcomes, and long-term success. Let's carve a bold path to your next breakthrough and elevate your business to unparalleled heights. Mountain Stream Group. Bold ideas, clear strategies, elevating your business.